the noisy crew. The horse goes neigh and gallops away, jumping high in the fields all day. The owl goes hoot in the dark of night, with big round eyes that shine so bright. The frog goes ribbit near the stream, hopping around like in a dream. The bee goes buzz near the flower bed, making honey golden red. Animals big and animals small, I love to learn about them all. With different sounds and ways to play, they make me smile every day. The cat says meow and takes a nap, curled up tight upon my lap. The dog runs fast, oh what a race, with a happy tail and a smiling face. The cow goes moo in the grassy field, giving milk, what a tasty yield. The duck goes quack in the pond so blue, splashing around with the noisy crew. The frog goes ribbit near the stream, hopping around like in a dream. The bee goes buzz near the flower bed, making honey golden red.
Let's take a trip, come along with me, into the forest, wild and free. Tall green trees and rivers wide, where animals run and play and hide. The lion roars, so strong and proud, his golden mane is big and loud. The monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing, playing wild and free. The elephant stomp, 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 with a trunk that gives a mighty honk. The zebra trots with stripes so neat, dancing lightly with happy feet. The parrot sings, squawk, hello, with feathers bright that shine and glow. The tiger growls, I'm fast, you see, chasing shadows behind the tree. The forest is big, the forest is grand, a home for creatures on the land. Let's be kind and keep it clean, so all the animals stay serene. The lion roars, so strong and proud, his golden mane is big and loud. The monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing, playing wild and free. The parrot sings, squawk, hello, hello, with feathers bright that shine and glow, and glow. The tiger growls, I'm fast, you see, chasing shadows behind the tree. You see, chasing shadows behind the tree. You see, chasing shadows behind the tree.
Cluck, 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 wake up quick, Mama calls her little chick. Fluffy, fluffy, tiny feet, time to find some worms to eat. Peck, 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 scratch the ground, look, a wiggly worm is found. Hop, 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 let's run fast, follow Mama, don't be last. Oh no, the rain goes plop, drip and drop and flip and flop. Mama spreads her wings out wide, come my chick, stay warm inside. Snuggle, snuggle, close your eyes, dream beneath the starry skies. Morning comes, the sun is bright, cluck, 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 it's time for light.
walks with pride, he stands so tall. The mighty king, he rules them all. The elephant's big surprise, with floppy ears and a trunk so long, the elephant hums a trumpet song. He stomps around so big, so wide, with tiny birds upon his side. I'm a parrot, green and bright. I talk all day and sing at night. If you say hello to me, I'll repeat it, wait and see. When the sun goes down, the stars shine bright. The wise old owl takes off in flight. With big round eyes and feathers white, he hoots and glides into the night. The little turtle slow race. The little turtle, slow but strong, walks and walks the whole day long. He doesn't rush, he takes his time, and in the end he wins just fine. I'm a parrot, green and bright. I talk all day and sing at night. If you say hello to me, I'll repeat it, wait and see. When the sun goes down, the stars shine bright. The wise old owl takes off in flight. With big round eyes and feathers white, he hoots and glides into the night. The little turtle, slow but strong, walks and walks the whole day long. He doesn't rush, he takes his time, and in the end he wins just fine. He wins just fine. He wins just fine. Winter's gone, the sun is bright. Flowers bloom in colors light. Butterflies go flutter high. Rainbow paints the clear blue sky. Spring is here, oh can you see? Buzzing bees and dancing trees. Little birds chirp, tweet, tweet, tweet. Happy days feel warm and sweet. Raindrops patter, pitter pat, waking up the sleepy grass. Tiny sprouts peek through the ground. Look, so many all around. Spring is here, oh can you see? Buzzing bees and dancing trees. Little birds chirp, tweet, tweet, tweet. Happy days feel warm and sweet. Jump like a bunny, hop, hop, hop. Spin like a flower, twirl, don't stop. Stretch like a tree, reach up high. Wave to the sunshine in the sky. Springtime smile, springtime cheer. A lovely time now that it's here. So dance and sing, let's shout hooray. Hip hip hooray for springtime day. The fluffy cat with fur so bright glide through the garden, morning to night. Her paws so soft, her step so light. She
treat. Grains and worms, oh so sweet. Her feathers shine in the morning sun. She lays her eggs, her work is done. 1, 2, 3 eggs in a row, a gift from the hen as white as snow. Fluffy little chicks, yellow and small, they follow her close, one and all. She teaches them to scratch and peck. In the yard they run and track. Cluck, 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 in the barn she stays, happy and busy all through the day. Thank you, hen, for all you do. We love your eggs and your kindness too. Cluck, 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 says the little red hen. She wakes up early, time to start again. Pecking the ground she finds her treat. Grains and worms, oh so sweet. Her feathers shine, her feathers shine in the morning sun. She lays her eggs, her work is done. 1, 2, 3 eggs in a row, a gift from the hen as white as snow, light as snow. Fluffy little chicks, yellow and small, they follow her close, one and all. She teaches them to scratch and peck. In the yard they run and track. Cluck, 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 in the barn she stays, happy and busy all through the day. Thank you, hen, for all you do. We love your eggs and your kindness too. We love your eggs and your kindness too. We love your eggs and your kindness too. A parrot, green and bright, with feathers shining in the low light. I flap my wings and love to fly up, up, up into the sky. I can talk, I can squawk, mimic voices when you talk. Hello, hello, I love to say, chattering all through the day. My beak is strong, I love to chew fruits and nuts, yum yum, it's true. Bananas, berries, seeds so small, crunch and munch, I eat them all. I perch on trees, I swing and play with my friends all through the day. In the jungle or as a pet, I'm the best bird you've ever met. So if you hear me loud and clear, just say hello, I'll chirp right here.